That's a starter set.
Is it a musical caboose?
I don't know. Should we open it? Is that another? That looks like.
How long for these? 15-ish?
Yeah, about 15. Depends on your oven though. I think yours is a little bit slower than mine at home, so it might take a bit longer.
These are never designed for adults to open, they're designed for children to open, aren't they?
Wow.
What have we got here, Billy? Let's have a look.
Soda. Oh, Billy?
Look,
There's the fat controller.
there's the fat controller, yeah. And there's the track. We can set the track up, can't we? Eh? What do you think? Hmm?
Nice. Thomas? Yeah.
Here we go. Can we set it up?
Oh, Billy, what the other one?
You put these in. There we go.
Is that the same sort of track that Mum bought?
Yeah, it should
Yeah,
be.
it's-
Yeah.
if it's wooden,
Yeah.
it'll
They all fit together.
Yeah.
fit together.
They have a big track, Billy.
Put that in there, Billy. Put that one in there. It goes in there, like that. That's it.
With the light.
Lights.
The light. And it goes like that.
Wow.
Yeah, lights.
Put that in there.
Flashing.
Oh.
This one needs to go over here, I think. Billy, that needs to go there. That goes there. That goes there. Oh, it doesn't quite fit properly. But
That's
what,
because you've got that extra bit in, isn't it?
maybe if we take that out of there, take
Yeah.
that out of there.
Oh,
Yeah, look at your tutu.
Take that one out of there.
Wow.
Big Granddad's enjoying playing,
Wow.
isn't he?
Get your other track and we can make a big.
And put that in there.
It's cool.
Put there. That there.